Some of your party members expressed their desire to put Israeli settlements back into Gaza. Do you support that?
I think that now we are focusing on one thing, which is to defeat Hamas. As I said, we're not going to fight with each other. We have to be on consensus. What you're going to do in the day after, it's a good discussion. I can tell you that I already hear from the opposition members different opinions about what's going to happen in the day after. And I think it's a good and healthy discussion that needs to happen, but it's not for now. Now we have to do what we have to do.
But what's going to happen on the day after in terms of who's controlling Gaza? We know the options, and Israeli government is struggling with this.
I think we're knowing the current options, that we have the regular answers that we had in the last 30 years. And I think part of what happened a month ago should wake us up. We cannot just give automatically the old answers. We have to come up with new answers, and I think the entity which is gonna run business in Gaza is not. It doesn't exist yet. So as Prime Minister Netanyahu said himself, it cannot be the Palestinian Authority because they're sponsoring terror, and of course they are not the people we can trust protecting our citizens in the south. So this is not an option. We'll have to come up with better answers to this question. We don't have it now.
Let me ask you about the entity that is running Israel. Do you think the government will should stay after the war?
Well, it's something we'll have to also discuss and see where it goes. No doubt that Israel failed protecting its citizens. What we've seen a month ago, it's something we couldn't even imagine, and we'll have to ask all these hard questions about who's responsible for that, why we came to this point, and of course there'll be consequences to these questions naturally.
In a short while, I guess. Knesset member Ohad
I hope
Tal.
it's going to be in short time, but I think this war is going to take, we all have to be patient. I mean, if we want to get the real results, it's going to take some time.
Ohad Tal, thank you very much.
Thank you very much.